All right, folks, here we go. Very windy afternoon. You can probably pick up during the video here just how high the water has gone since that flooding too. It's been crazy around here. So anyway, gonna get some lures wet here in a second, fish around the line, just check it out. I have not been to the pond in, oh God, a month. I don't know. Don't have a ton of time this afternoon. Busy evening, a couple things going on. So if I'm gonna get a chance, that chance is right now. So gotta cash in. There's one. Feels like a little fish. Yep, little one. All right, there we go, off the mark. First one, little guy, just a little guy. Okay, now let's take a look in the water here because it is really dirty, and that might be part of the game today, that flat. That feels like a good one. Oh, that's a good one. It's got a nice chunk of weeds in his mouth too. He's dragging a little on me. There we go. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at them. Oh, a big lunker. For this pond, that's as good as they get. Well, I mean, maybe a little bigger, but all right. Thank you, big boy. Got a couple parasites. Big beautiful bass, baby. All right. All right, big beautiful bass. Let's try a big beautiful release here. Woo. Mighty tail slap. Wish I hadn't done underwater, just leave it up here. He swatted some water at me. Angry bass. What a bass. All right, well, thanks, buddy.